mouse distraction. Asa na sila? Ay, generator din. Ang laking generator. Kasi guys, walang generator, walang kuryente dito. There's no electric. So they have a big generator over there. Oh. So dito, mainit. Ay, ito yung nakita ko na Bay Resort. Nasaan? Info. Nasaan ang information? Ay, ito talaga okay din dito. Okay din naman din doon. Yun lang nga sa kuryente nga daw. Nasaan ang info? Information. Good afternoon. Ano, may kuryente po kayo?
Ay, brownout po.
Brownout? pero may kuryente?
Brownout po. Ano, may generator po.
May kuryente rom. May generator ba niya? At brownout. Magkakakuryente kaya po tayo. Mamaya.
Opo, mamaya hapon po.
Magkano po ano dito ang rate niyo pag ilan tayo?
Maria.
Smoke. No smoking. Hello, Miss Maria. Okay. Promote na yun. So, dito ng lahat amenities natin. And then, pwede tayo mag-barbecue, no? Barbecuehan.
200 from Miller Red.
What?
200.
200 red. Ganda naman ang sigareto. So, 7.5 na yun for 6 packs. Anong room nyo? Pwede makita?
Sa baba.
You think we can see the room muna? To see the room?
Hindi yung dulo nyo na parang pinakadulo.
Isla. Alam ko ito, makulabo po yan. Ayun, makulabo
Isla.
ni Isla.
Parang kung tayo tumira no, sa dulong yun. Ayun yung ilog ng kuwan eh, gumaot.
Opo.
Ayan. Ano yun? Taas? Baba?
Baba lang po.
Wala kasi sa room may balcony?
Dun for 4 packs mo, yung may balcony.
This is okay. 6 packs. Hindi magtatabi-tabi sila din. Ay, sabagay naman is 2 boys, 2 girls. And then my hubby. Nakabuhay na ba yun? No? So, here. So, back to... Wala ka hot water there? Is it centralized? No? Wala ka rin TV?
Wala.
Tipid 7.5. So, wala kang room na may TV?
Meron po. Ito pong sa kabila.
And then the same
Good
price?
for 6 po siya.
The same price din or no?
Same price po. Pero kunin ko po yung keycard. Kasi yung isang bed po nun ma'am, sa baba. Okay lang.
Let's go see. This is their lobby. Lobby. So, meron din tayo dito. At least may aircon. I smell fish. Meron din galing little bar there. Thank you, po. Pwede naman pala dito. Ito yung may TV. Ito yung mas mabuti. Yung boys din na lang. Mas malaki. Malaking tao sa ako there. Wala electric. Okay sa kanya. Oh, yun. Okay. That's good. That's nice.
Dito po nag-room sila.
Ha?
Dito po nag-room.
Sino?
Yung owner.
Oh, baka dito bigay.
Okay lang po yun. Binibigay po talaga namin po. Vlogger ka mo?
Yes. Ooh. Meron siyang sunmade. And there's also slippers. No Red Horse sunmade yun. They have a bar here. Whoever wants to go Laklakan.
They're totally new.
We don't go Laklakan. Alright. If you bring your own food, they have corkage fee. Corkage fee of each person is 100 peso. Less than $2. But, because they do serve food here. Anong food mo rito?
Here, ma'am.
So if you bring your own food, you're gonna have to pay corkage fees. It's almost every policies of the resort. Okay guys, this is how much we pay. I mean, yeah, for one night. It costs about 7,500 a night. If you bring your own food, you have to pay corkage fee. Depending how much people you have. I have 6, so I have 100 peso each. 6 environmental fees, 10 peso each. So it's only 60 peso. Come on, 8,160 peso. So once again, this is a Gumaos. Gumaos?
Gumaos Bay.
Gumaos Bay. But guys, it's not a bay. Kasi bay sa'yo. Thank you so much. And what is your name?
Mon. Mon po.
Hello, Mon. Mon?
Yes po.
Mon.
Mon.
Yes po.
Mon. And sa IC?
Paula.
Miss Paula. Miss Maria. Mon. Paula. Saan tayo po? Ang maganda. Ayan. Init? Uncle loves this thing.
Ay, ito yung ano yari sa ano sa nito.
Nito, Hawaii? Oo. This is the resort. That's so nice in there. White beach, guys. White beach. It's a low tide. Really low tide. Nice. Ooh, it's really hot, guys. I am going to get some. Oh, this is cute. Salmon. Wow. Ganda rito. Nice naman, cute. Yeah, so I don't want to go there. There's dog. So kayaking in here. You can rent kayak. Probably can rent kayak. Yeah. Oh, he's tied up. The dog is tied up. The doggy. Oh, doggy. Poor doggy, he's hot. No water. Ah, they have inflatable kayak. Maybe I'll try kayak later on. Single 1 hour, double 200, trio 250. Oh, cool. Smoking area. Oh, so there's also smoking area here. Just the smoking designated area. And I don't know what this one is, but yeah. They have dishwashing, grilling over there, barbecue hand, and also they have some tent. Cool. Cool place. Emergency number. Yes, you need emergency. This is the number. Police. Everything in there. It's pretty clean.
Where you from?
Huh? Cali, San Diego. Dito na lang kami. Ay, wala na naman sila eh. Mas maganda nga dito mo. It's really hot. Saan ba yun sa amin?
Ano ba?
Ito ba yun?
Kabila po.
Kasi layo kasi pag nandun nakapark. Dito.
Parang ito nga po.
Siyan? So pag for Viber hindi lulubog. Doon, Bird Totok.
Thank you po.
We are going to eat some food.
Kaming dalawa kayo.
And we are going to eat some food.
Tulo na.
Sino?
Nandun na si Akol. O, tamo si Akol, nasa dagat na siya.
Dagat-agad.
That's over there. Kung anong yung nagpapakahirap na punta ko sa...
Ay, wala bili pa ng huli.
Napalang uning.
Nagbayad na ako ng 4K yun. Ang ihawan yata ibang fee.
Ah, may price pa? Iba pa rin, may bayad, may additional pa rin. Siguro. Oh.
See, look at that ocean, guys. It's a beautiful.
Wala naman
The
silang
ocean
ano.
is so clear and I'm gonna go to water when the sun is down.
Kaya ako binabayaran yun kasi
Doon. Ayan o.
ano po dito nakapatong po dyan? Napakahirap na naman ng matanda.
How's the water, honey? Malamig the water?
Oh!
Yeah, right. It's not. No, it's not.
Oh.
That's it, huh? I reserve your seat. It's taking right beside me. Did you see that mountain right there behind you? That's where we used to live. That's where we used to live. That mountain right there. That's Kumaus. The mountain here, the bay, right side. Watch out, the buko gonna fall on your head. Put it again. I'm gonna put shot. Whip. It's gonna fall. Ah! There you go. Boom! Boom!
Oh, my ulo!
I'm gonna go swim. Let's go ride canoe, honey.
Yeah.
You're gonna rescue me if I drown. We're gonna go ride canoe. Meron internet! Yay! Oh, I don't do live. May internet naman ako, ikaw wala internet.
Oh,
May internet naman ako kahit wala internet.
coconut.
I don't know, he found coconut.
Something inside?
Wala.
Ah, wala.
Wala.
Okay guys, we are gonna go eat.
Just decoration.
Eat,
Just for the decoration.
and enjoy the nice clear water later on when the suns go down. Now, right now it's really hot. It's beautiful here, guys.
Be careful.
Beautiful here and what is this place again?
Gumaos.
Gumaos Bay Resort.
I'm gonna make
Shout
a nice-
out
I'm gonna make
to
a nice
all shout out to all the workers here.
May buko kayo.
I put it mine.
Oh,
Malasaya pa. This is mine now.
You can have mine.
Yes. Do you want some more? Another one? Another one? Okay. Thank you.
Wala na.
I will keep for Nonoy and for aking tao.
Tangan di ba?
Oh, I just keep.
Kanya, mano?
I'm gonna buy that again.
This one is
Masarap yan.
good.
They have that SM. They have that vendors thing in SM sa loob.
Yeah, the vendors upstairs.
I think I want to change my clothes. I'm gonna put my swimming
I
already.
just change my shirt.
Ang tagal ng uling.
Change my.
Dinner na yon.
What did you buy?
Na pinabibili ko ng ano.
Ay, yung bilihan ng uling dito, Mon.
Pinabibili ko ng
Honey, look, he bought a sack.
watermelon.
Mon, malayong
Para
bili.
sa-
Malayong bilihan ng uling dito. Oh, saan kayo pumunta yun?
Ay, hindi. Pinabibili ata po ni Tita Nanay ng watermelon.
Ah, watermelon?
Watermelon.
Oh, probably watermelon is very
Amon!
The next resort.
Ngayon nagbayad ako ng corkage fee. Pwede akong magdala ng fruits galing sa labas. Eh, bayad na eh. Yeah, corkage fee. Yeah, see?
It's smart.
Nakakapagluto na ako.
Kasi maganda yung barbecue. Wala barbecue. Ibablog kita mamaya. Makarating ka na sa Amerika.
Oh, you two, that's smart.
It's smart.
Ay, dali si Dok.
Yes.
Ano yun?
Oo po.
Ano? Mamaya mapunta
Oh my
tayo
God,
dito. That's nice.
One for you and one for your papa. And just keep the two.
One for me, another for me.
You are cheated.
One for me and another for
Because
me.
You eat
The bunso
two.
always get the more.
Yung sugar po ninyo.
Oh,
Wala ka sugar.
sugar.
No, mine.
Your sugar, Tita.
No sugar. Mine. Remember, tatay always serve me the big one. Don't
Yeah,
touch
yeah,
that
I
for
know.
bunso.
But
Don't
tatay,
touch. And then si Kuya Nunoy susut ko, hipon niya. Hindi ba yung hipon?
Oo.
Tinan ako lulo mo, malaking suit po. And then ito susut. He tried to eat it and he got He got in trouble. Nakabitin po naman yung sugpo eh.
it's not yours. Why you eating? That's for bunso. Actually, she is smaller than the kuya and ate. The tata is always keep the big one for her. Oh, my goodness.
The big one always get the bunso.
Yung kuya Nuno is cheating. You pick it up at the big one and then you change that the small one. Oh, that's mine because that's a big one.
Sa salindim yung sinasabi ko yung
Oh.
nung napagalitan ng tatay,
Binibili kayo
nagtira
uling?
nagtira si
Ay, dyan sa
tatay
kabila.
ng
Ay,
malaking
ikaw na lang
suko.
kayo, bibili ko
Tapos
ulit.
gusto mong galawin, napagalitan
Oo,
ka.
si Papa. Oh, ayan. I will give you a sweet. So you become ano? Oh,
Hindi kayo iniinitan kayong dalawa. Why they are wearing jacket?
I don't know.
Wala, nasa lilom naman po kayo eh.
Look at me, my guys, it's just the family. Oh, family Chargers. San Diego.
you go hang it right there.
Meron naman tayong pagkain. Kaya lang mabubulok yan.
Ay, oo nga. Sige,
Tubad walang barbecuehan dito mismo.
wala na daw.
Nagabuno ka pa, hindi? Magkano ang bono?
Let's go, ano na. Ito ang ating pamaypay.
Abiling uling. Ay, walang bag ko dito. Uling. May bag. Here. Nito. Laki naman yan.
You said.
Oh, here.
Nako.
Tapos ating pamaypay na hindi ko na ito. Teka, asan na yung ano?
Alam mo, akin yung susi. Akin yung susi sa kwarto. Ako, ay. Psst. Psst.
busy.
Too busy playing Candy Crush. What he does. Sweet. 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 Sungit. The one we deserve playing Candy Crush. Si Sungit. Sabi ng asawa ko, bakit baga sa mo pinapadala ka daw? Sabi ko, hindi ka naman pinapadala eh. Siya yung gusto magbili.
Meron tayong ano, 2 litro ano.
Tatlo, akala ko tatlo.
2 litro ano, tapos isang
Prito? Isang buong prito?
yeah.
Oh, that's nice. Gumaus Bay. Gumaus Bay Resort. Ano ka na dyan, Tok-Tok? Oh, tinan mo naman niya aking pamangkin. Nagluluto ng malalaking squid.
Nag-iihaw po ng malalaking squid. Di naman kumakain ng inihaw.
Lugi.
Ay, bakit yan? Nga pala, ikaw nga di nakainihaw. Bakit nga pala di ka nakainihaw?
Pero titikman ko po ito. Hindi naman po isda eh.
No, it's not isda. Masarap kung fresh na fresh.
Bibili ka na ito sa pilang pagkakasin.
Yeah.
Wala po tayong oil.
Oh, wow. Lagyan mo lang lahat dito.
Fresh naman ito.
Hindi na natanggal. Ay! Hindi na tinanggalan ng bato ka?
Hindi po. Sabi po kasi tinitita yan eh.
Ni tita?
Salang daw po.
Ha?
Salang lang daw po.
Ni-washing?
Ay, nilinis ko po ito.
Oh.
Natanggalan ko nga po ito. Nalibang po ako.
Just need to be.
Oh, yung natanggalan kay Uncle.
Mas maganda ito kasi yung fresh.
Yan.
Sakay basurahan dito.
Yan. Yun na yan, mga ka-viewers. You can get the fresh seafood. Goodness, if there's some lobster in there. Ay, sus marini. Ay, meron pala ditong showeran, guys. Dito shower. Either even work though, I don't know. So, there's the shower. There's also another shower here, public, for the people who use the beach during the daytime. But if you check into the hotel, of course, you have your own shower inside the room. Oh, double ko. Coconut. Ha? $360. I hear some. I don't know. I give him the key. This young man do not eat that barbecue ini seafood. Balo ka rin. Doesn't stop eating. Oh, sarap! Ay sarap! Ay sarap! Sarap means yummy yummy. Tastes good. He doesn't eat fish. Barbecue fish.
Ay, ako pala yun.
It's the first time he tasted it. Ocean view. Why you look so songy? You hungry? Do you like it here? Do you like it here? You can sleep there, huh? You can fall asleep there, so calming. Oops. Listening the wave and just right in the ocean. Huh? What are you talking about? That's nice. Okay guys.
Bawal.
Anong bawal dito? Nukus? Nukus? Kulambutan nusok. Nukus. But we call it America big old squid. Ito yung ginagawa na calamares.
Calamares.
Calamaris.
Calamari.
Yeah, calamari yan. So, yan. But this one is a barbecue.
Calamari.
It's so big.
Ito
So,
yung
yan.
pangugunin to. Ito akin ay palutan.
So, yan.
Ito amin.
Malaking tao pabalik na. So, let's go try the tentacles first. Very good. I'm using my hand because we're in the beach. You don't need salt. Yan.
Ah, hindi nyo talaga nakakain.
Hindi kang daan tubig mo.
What's all the big waters like?
We're having the yum.
Kain ng ulam, di po kanin.
Oh, brother, isa dun.
Paped up.
Arjan's gonna take his food. Nice picnic in here. So we're going.
Oh, langaw.
Langaw. Okay. Okay, guys, I'm gonna enjoy my meal. Thank you. I see you later. Bye-bye. What are you catching? Oh, wow. Look at this, guys. The sand here is so this fine. It's like a what is that?
Fast crabs. Get a close up of it.
Oh wow, that's a
Nagay po nung kagabi.
Wow, it's fast.
what's going up? What? RJ!
Si Mr. Crab po yan.
RJ!
It's fast.
We used to catch those. That's so tiny. That's what we used to catch when we were kids. It's
Tried to go in its hole.
It'll go in your feet. It's trying to hold on your feet.
Trying to hide.
Oh wow.
I'm done.
yung crab. Ito, mga naguhulihan ng crab. Hindi na abot dagat dito?
Abot po hanggang doon.
Ngayon? Right now? At pag naalon tutok, abot dito? Is that already swimming right there? juice. Fine. Woo. They're funny. You're laying there like you're laying in a bed. No, wait, it's coming, it's coming, it's coming. Uh-huh. Do it. Alrighty. Go! Yay! You enjoying that water? It's really warm. Water is really warm. Warm water. This beach, guys, is really nice. Really nice. The sun is so soft. Very soft. Nice on your feet.
Almost took my shirt off.
Almost took his shirt. Look at that sunset. It's so beautiful. I thought I saw lightning. That black cloud right there. That's how I saw lightning. It's so nice not raining today. Oh. Yeah. Look at the shadow.
There's some over there. That means it's going to rain pretty soon.
Yeah. Look at the shadowing.
You see it?
Pretty. Whoa! The wave is getting bigger. My camera. It's our cabana. I mean, actually, we have hotel right there. The sun is really nice. It's like a little Boracay. I don't know why everybody calls it Boracay. There's a beach. Lots of beach. Nice sand. This is a white sand. White sand. It's nice. Feeling on your feet. Just rub right there. They keep the beach really clean. Nice to have a little drink when you're sitting down. Woohoo! Alright, this is our table. Ay, papa mo? Isa lang there. And then, ano yung smoothie mo na walang alcohol? Non-alcoholic beverage.
Protein shake, ma'am. Meron po. Strawberry, mixed berries, may yogurt.
Kasi nalagay mo sa sisig natin. Ano nasa tao? Yung Do you have any glass? Like a wine glass or something? Wala ka noon? Okay. Yan lang ang naisip sa'yo. Okay.
Isa po. Isang protein shake.
Protein shake yun?
Hindi na po kayo order ng lunch? Ay, ng dinner po.
Anong oras ka dito sa last dinner?
Hanggang 8 lang po.
Anong oras na ba?
6:30 na po.
We have, what, 30 more minutes? 1 hour and a half. It is beautiful. Thank you. No strawberry factory on the glass. It's okay, you can come in. Look ko naman. Quit calling me boss. I'm not your boss. Not your boss. No, I'm not your boss. They always call me boss. How many years to a boss? That's what they have.
Just bodyguard, you're the boss.
No, you're not. I'm not. Huh?
Sarap. Beer is beer.
She's making mine special.
Especial?
Special.
Oh, especial.
Just for a video.
You get some through there?
No?
Bucket.
Oh, bucket? Okay.
Oh, sharing is caring.
Sharing is caring. Alright.
Otherwise, they're going to be going like this. That tastes good.
Alright.
That's just me. Okay, I'm going to...
Coming from you.
You need
I
more?
prefer.
Just in case?
Just in case.
There you go.
Miss Maria, magkano ba isa niyan?
2:49.
249.
Just in case.
Just in case. Upon check out now. Upon check out.
Oh, see. If that's the case, I'll take...
Shiba, you go. Also, we're gonna have dinner later on. The last is 8 o'clock. Ay, marami kang gagawin, mahal.
Sabay na lang daw yung sa protein shake.
Okay, thank you, Danny. Doon tayo upo doon. Sa bench. Upo tayo doon lahat. Hold ng drink.
Video ko po
Hindi
kayo.
nabibidyo. Nakapo kasi. Nakauna yan. Yan. So I guess I'm putting water in my big ears. A little bit.
Uy, ay, kanin yan? Akin, ay, yun. Ano?
Just relaxing here, sitting down and listen for a wave. Woohoo! Oh, it's on pala. Sorry. I thought it was close. Ha. There it is. I see the bug flying around the lights. Wow, there's bugs. This is a life right here. A life of retiree. Toot, toot, toot. To keep it cool. We're gonna have we're gonna get drunk. It's right here. Time to get drunk.
I drink now?
Cheers. Good life.
Sweet.
Oh, do it again. Looks good on you. There you go. Pick up you guys drink.
You are like a sindero. You look like a sindero pala.
Ano yan?
Ito, hindi po nila tinatanggal.
Ayan na, huwag mo nang pansinin.
Baka po kami makabagsak eh.
Huwag nyo lang hipuin.
Oy! Ito oh.
Ahay! Vamonos! Bring you guys drink over here. Take advantage the moment. Let's go! Let's go! Wala ilaw? Okay. I'm gonna sit down. Come on, Papa Bear. Go put some in here. There you go. And enjoy moment here. There's no snake underneath. No snake underneath. No snake. Okay. Yes. Yo. Yo. Wow. Wow. I have no idea.
So many times.
She gets stick a lot of stick. All right. Let's go. Cheers. Whoop. Good life.
All the bubbly life.
Ah, this thing is dark. Good life, guys. This is really dark. I mean, it's really bright. Wow, no wonder it's bright. Blinded you. Very good. Hi.
Ay, salamat.
Oh, did you see that?
Yeah, go see it.
Bakal nyo. Somebody beat you guys already. I feel mosquito.
Yep.
Oh, bright lights.
Oh, gee.
They're sleeping.
Cheers.
Cheers! Man! Wow! Wee! Oh my God, the other one is snoring.
Shake lang naman tayo eh.
Huhulog ko ta, moon. Moon, moon, moon. Modeling. The dark cloud. Come on, lightning. Oh my gosh! Oh, got that one. Dami nyo lamok.
Hima, bukas mo nga ito, Hima. Isang ilaw, may ilaw.
We are sitting under the limb with a million of mosquitoes. Wow! What is that? Now we we can see. Yay! Them. They went back to the water. Oh, there she goes. Another one. I'm next. I am next. Watch out, shark, shark. Thank you, Mon. Thank you. Nakakita na kami. Maraming lamok. Oh, pati naman si Lola. Ayun. Oh, look, look, look. They're chasing crabs again. Yes? Ay, let me know din kung last call for food. Di ba? Okay, anong last call? Mga 7:30? Okay. Pag-remind mo ha. Kasi baka ma-all time mo malimutan. Thank you, Paula. Thank you, thank you. Sarap mag-gamit just play. It's good to play good. Let's go play that good. More crab.
Oh, that's a big one.
Wow.
That's a big one.
Wow! Ang labo. Ba't ba malabo? Yo!
No.
Ay, grabe. Laki naman yan. Pangluto na yan. Ulam.
Ulam.
Ow! Sige rin. Bye-bye, crab. Oo. Ayan na. Say cheese.
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Ayun.
Naka-record yan. Thank you, Mon. Thank you, Mon.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you. I didn't meet you yesterday.
Enjoy
Si Joy, si Paula, and si Miss Marie. I call you Marie, na Maria. Thank you guys for hospitality. Really good job. There's the chef.
There he is.
Yung stir fry mo is really yummy. Really yummy. Paula, cheese. Yeah. Thank you. Thank you. Assistant chef?
Opo.
And Miss Ubiti, what?
Hello po. I'm Emily.
Na, let's go face the sun. Let's go face the sun.
Ayun.
Thank you. Mayroong kulangot ng
Lan, okay.
It is closest.
No, sa iyo.
It can't get any closer to me.
Yahay.
I'm holding it.
Smile. Smile.
Smile.
Okay na po.
In Jesus' name.
Amen. 1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
Ding, 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 ding.
Okay na po nakaka-ano po yan sa video.
Nakabidyo.
Oh.
Na pictures?
May take na po ng pictures.
Oh, okay.
Pero ano po, ika-capture ko po ulit yung... Ajay! Ito, dulo. Ay, sa gitna ka. Tita Nida, doon po kayo.
Saan ako?
Ayan.
Kahit malayo?
Hindi po!
Sabi mo kasi dito.